Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the problem of messenger video call sound on your iPhone. So if you're having any problem regarding the call sound of your messenger video, or your call ringing is not happening properly, then this is the video for you. What I want you to do first is make sure the messenger is already installed in your phone, and after that go to your setting application. Then you want to go to general. Then you want to click on your iPhone storage. Then you want to scroll until you find messenger. After that, I want you to offload your app. Offloading this app means that you'll have to reinstall this application again, but it also means that your data will not be lost and all of the data will remain as it is and all the chats will remain as it is. So once you offload your app and reinstall it again, then this problem of the video call ringing will be solved, and hopefully there will not be any more problems. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like and comment below, and please be sure to subscribe as well. If you have any more questions, then leave it on the comment box below. We'll be sure to reply to them. It's me, Lee, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.